It's Sissy, and today I am going to tell you about what to watch. Alright, like the top 5 best good videos. Alright, so I'm a big fan of Bizarre because they're so funny, and that's where I got all my inspiration from. And if you watch my friend Victoria's Sissy1234's next video, she is going to put up a video about her cat. So please watch it. It's going to be very good because I am also going to. I will be filming it, so please watch the video. It's going to be very good. Plus, her cats are really cute. And if she is behind me, please subscribe below and tell me to smack her in the butt if she is FaceTiming my video. So please watch the video. Thank you. Bye.